iPhone notifications not showing after updating to iOS 26. Here's how to fix it. First, check your focus mode. From the top right corner of your home screen, swipe down to open the control center. Look for the focus or do not disturb icon. If it's enabled, tap it once to turn it off. If notifications are still missing, open the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down and look for notifications and tap on it. Under the Display As section, select Stack. Next, tap on Show Previews option. Here, set it to Always. Make sure notification previews are allowed. Still not working. Let's give your iPhone a clean refresh. Quickly press Volume Up, then Volume Down, and hold the side button. Keep holding until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This process won't delete your data if you're still not getting notifications. Go to Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Again, scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, at the bottom, click on Reset. A pop-up will appear and tap on Reset Network Settings. Once it's done, reconnect to Wi-Fi. And check your notifications again. They should be working perfectly now. And that's it. For more tech videos, subscribe.